Hi, my name is Emmy and this is my cat Kitty, and we both really love to go in the backcountry.
I hope I didn't bring my keys with me because I cannot find them. I have my phone,
but today I may have not choose the right time to go.
I didn't choose the right time to go to backcountry, I guess.
Don't forget to subscribe for more adventure. Kenny and I will really appreciate.
Alright, let's go. So this is gonna be a little campground for tonight. Gonna make some campfire. We're gonna go for a walk with Kitty first. She won't walk. This way. A river. I hope I didn't bring my keys with me because I cannot find them. I have my phone, but let's go back to the van. That worried me now. Yes. Some of them are pretty good, a pretty good size. I didn't choose the right time to go to backcountry, I guess. I just wanted a quick little campfire, make it a little meal. Then thought it would have some help. Oops. You went inside. That's a good idea. And now it's windy. Awesome. Maybe I should have looked at the weather before going to the backcountry. Oh. So crown for my birthday, which is coming in a couple of days, give me a new Dutch oven. So this one's got little legs, I don't know what to call it, and the lid I can put some chalk on top here. It's flat and it's bigger too as well, a little bit less deep, a little bit more wide. Now I'm so happy. So today I think I'm gonna make just a quick maybe kind of semi mac and cheese, not quite not quite a mac and cheese, but I don't know, I've been craving some cheesy sauce pasta, so we're gonna make that. And that's cool. In the Dutch oven they have a little cooking book, Dutch oven cooking 101, with how many chalk and the temperature you need. That's cool. I'm gonna have to look at it, and some recipe. So I'm just boiling some water right now. So on my mac and cheese, I'm gonna put some plant-based sausage. I really like this brand, by the way, if you have access to it. Pretty good. So I'm gonna cook that first on that pan. And we're gonna make a sauce using raw cashew that I just soak in hot water for a little while. And we're gonna make it like a roux, that's what they call it. Just flour, and I'm gonna use vegan butter for that, and some plant-based milk, which I think it's soy milk that I have today. So make a sauce, put all of this with the pasta together, and some nutrition yeast because we want to have a cheesy sauce. Okay, so the sausage are there. I'm gonna start the sauce. So I have soy milk. I just eyeballed, guys, that amount. Probably gonna need more. I'm gonna put some chili flakes to make it spicy. We like it spicy. I got some Italian herb. Let's put that. Onion powder. What else we can make? Nutritional yeast, which make the sauce really taste like cheese. We want a good amount. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna start with that sauce. I'm gonna put more milk, and we're gonna take it up with some vegan butter and flour. But let's cook this. So I'm gonna use those pasta. Alright, those sausage are cooked. Good for that. What are we doing here? Just need a little bit more time, which is perfect. I'm just gonna put those sausage here on the side, and in this pan I'm just gonna put some vegan butter, and some flour, and start hitting. No! It started hitting, guys. Alright, I just put everything together. I'm gonna put some breadcrumb and we're gonna broil that for a couple of minutes. We have another storm coming. It's pretty wide right now. Just need a couple more minutes and we can eat that inside. Oh yeah! That's gonna be so good. Alright guys, there you go. My kind of mac and cheese. Oh yeah. Oh. The sun decided to come up. I still have this huge bowl for tomorrow. And I'm gonna go at the creek and put some water in the Dutch oven so I can clean it. So this is the pot after I just boiled water. And just with the rag, usually, yeah, it's good enough to clean the rest. Alright, this is all clean now. Awesome. And that's gonna be for tomorrow. And I'm gonna leave that there because I need to find a place for it. I need to move a couple of things underneath the bed. I really want, when I'm gonna rebuild the bed itself, that's gonna be where most of my storage is, and I really want to have all my camping stuff, my little chair, my Dutch oven, the axe, all in one easy place to just grab and use it. Yeah, it's gonna have a huge cleanup and hopefully some things that I can pull drawer and things like this, so it's easy access. At least that's what I'm gonna try to do. So after dinner I put all the wood that I had because I thought that, you know, more snow and hail will come and all this, but doesn't look that promising anyway, so it's okay. We should keep a couple though. I'm gonna go grab another thing of water by the river because it gets some wind gust, and I just don't want my fire to restart again. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy. I think I'm gonna spend the rest of the evening just watching a movie, relaxing in bed. It was a great little adventure in the backcountry, not very far, but just once in a while I like to just relax in nature, even though it was not so relaxing because of all the snow, the hail, the rain, all of this, but still a lot of fun. Alright, I'm gonna let you with Miss Kitty. Would you like to give them a little kiss? Oh, thank you. You know they like your kiss. Ah, thank you. Bye-bye. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next one.